One other advantage of the Mendix and AWS partnership is the increasing innovation that we have on the number of templates that are getting added into the library. And the reason that's really important is because if I think of myself as a manufacturing engineer, I can be a little intimidated about building an application. And it's a little intimidating to think I got to start with a white screen, for example, and just create off of that. But what the templates do is it provides a starting point and provides some guidance, gets me 80% of the way there. I can configure on top of that template for my unique requirements. And it also gets me started with some very common use cases. And as I think as AWS and Mendix continue to grow in the partnership and innovate additional templates, it's just going to further accelerate our ability to drive adoption of low-code apps and drive adoption of Mendix as well as the insights into the factory floor, and that's going to ultimately allow us to accelerate our ability to get a return on investment and see the value of the digital transformation as a whole.